What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Valheim on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now if you buy games at Steam it can get really expensive, especially the latest ones, plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses. And nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to download this game without overspending and keeping your PC safe. The first step is to go to your Google browser, and we need to locate this game on Steam first before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, then search for the game Valheim and select the game. Now scroll a little bit down, and as you can see this game is €19.99 on Steam. But don't worry, we got a workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. You will be redirected to this webpage. Now search for the same game, Valheim, and search. After that select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Once you have done that you need to watch this text. This text needs to be marked green so the game can be activated in your country. Now select the game, and after that you will see this price, just €4.50 instead of €19.99. The next step is to purchase this game, and once you have purchased this game on this website you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a new Steam account to download this game on your PC, but much cheaper. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!